Good day everyone, my name is Larry Valby Channel from School of Theology. Then we will gonna do the activity of reading the parsing and syntax under the Hebrew subject, Hebrew grammar and syntax. Now we will begin reading the Hebrew and parse it and syntax it. And we will gonna study in the book of Numbers 3 verse 40 to 43. Now we will begin. In verse 40, the first word there is wayomer. So this word was a verb kal, wow, consecutive imperfect third person. So this kal is a feinative. Now, the use of this word is a main verb. The next word is Yahweh. It is a proper noun, masculine singular. The syntax is the uses of these words is this word is subject, and then the next word is al. It is a preposition, introduces, so it introduced to the next word, and the next word is Moshe, which is a proper noun and an object of preposition. So this is an object of preposition. It is the use of this word called syntax. And then the next word is paked. Paked is a verb kal imperative masculine singular. So word paked is introduces as a command. The syntax of this is a command. Then the next word is a kal. Kal is a noun functioning. It is a modifier of these words, of this verse. And then the next is bekor. Bekor was parse is noun masculine singular, and the uses of this is an object of command. So the command is first, and the next one is the object of a command. Then the next word is zakar. Zakar is a noun object masculine. So it is a position. Then is labhain. This labhain is a position plus noun construct. So the uses of this is a possessive phrase in the sentence. And then the next word is Yisrael. This word Yisrael is a proper noun genitive. The next one is mebhain. So mebhain is a noun masculine singular, and the uses of this is an object of preposition. Then the next one is hodesh. The word hodesh is a proposition also plus noun. So the uses of this, or the syntax of this, is a temporal phrase. And then the next word is wahamalah. So wahamalah is a conjunction plus adverb. So the uses or the syntax of this in the sentence is this word is a modifier. Then the next word is washa. The word washa is a verb kal imperative masculine. Then the uses of this is a second command in the sentence. Then the next word is eth. This eth is a particle, so the syntax is it will marks an object, so a marking object. The next word is meshpar. Meshpar is a noun masculine singular. It was a direct object, so the use in the sentence is a direct object, meshpar. Then the last word is siyamotheam. Siyamotheam is a noun masculine plural plus third person. Then it is a suffix. Then the syntax of this is it is a genitive complement. So thank you for watching, and thank you for listening to our video now in Numbers 3 verse 40